In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product catalog categories in Wix. If you're organizing an online store, categories make it faster for shoppers to find what they want and help you present products in a clear, professional way. We'll walk through the exact places to click and what to fill out, and I'll share simple tips to make your categories look great. Start on your Wix site dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Catalog and click it. This is your central hub for store items and organization. If your menu looks a little different, don't worry. Wix occasionally updates labels and layout, but Catalog will be in the Store or Products area on the left pane. Next, go to Store Products, then select Categories. This is where all your product groupings live. You'll see any existing categories listed here, along with tools to manage them. Now, click New Category to create a fresh one. This opens the category editor. Begin with a clear, memorable category name. Keep it simple and customer-friendly. Names like New Arrivals, Summer Collection, or Accessories work well. Consistency helps, so try to match the tone and capitalization you use across your store. Add a header image to give the category a visual identity. Choose a clean, high-quality image that represents the products inside. Avoid busy graphics. A single crisp product shot or a cohesive lifestyle image often communicates best. Make sure it's well lit, not pixelated, and framed so it looks good on both desktop and mobile. Write a short, helpful description. This is your chance to guide shoppers. In a sentence or two, explain what's in the category or who it's for, and highlight a key benefit. Keep it readable and genuine. If your store supports it, you can also consider adding alt text to images and using clear descriptive language to improve accessibility. Now add the products you want to include in this category. You'll see options to search or select from your existing store items. Add only what fits the theme so shoppers feel confident they're in the right place. You can always update this list later as your catalog grows. When everything looks good, name, header image, description, and products, click Save. That's it. Your new category is ready to help customers browse more smoothly and discover products faster. If you change your mind about the name, image, or selection, you can return to the categories area anytime to edit. Keep refining as you learn what your customers click on most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your Wix store with clear, polished product categories.